Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this lovely 2018 Infiniti Q50 LUXE rear-wheel drive that we recently took on trade. Some of our nicest premium vehicles come in trade. This Q50 is no exception. If you're in the market for a Japanese-made sport luxury sedan with amazing performance and Japanese build quality, the Q50 is a great choice. It shares its advanced front engine platform with the Nissan Z. The VR30 engine design is also similar to what you find in the new Nissan Z as well. You could almost consider the Q50 a four-door luxury version of the Nissan Z. In fact, in Japan, they don't sell these as Q50s or Infinitis. They sell them as Nissan Skylines. There's a bunch of different Skylines. Obviously, the Skyline GTR sits on the top of the Skyline pyramid of amazing products, but these are also sold as Skylines, and the whole G series that we've seen since the early 2000s, they have always been sold domestically in Japan under the Skyline name. This has a beautiful leather interior, wood trim, moonroof. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got its first refresh. The Q50 first came out in 2014 model year. 2018 it got its first refresh, so new steering wheel design, new design on the center console, shifter, and the front and the rear of it were also restyled. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for the clock, backup camera. The bottom screen is a tab-like interface for settings and apps. You have a drive mode selector here that will make changes to transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings, so you can choose there, or you can also access the drive mode selector here and kind of personalize it. Then we have active trace control that brakes individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. We also have an automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, leather wrap steering wheel. This one has 74,298 miles at the time of making this video. Then the steering wheel also tilts and telescopes. Really nice color combination on white on black leatherette. The previous customer added these nice tinted windows and rain gutters, and I know sometimes people think, oh, was it smoked in because there's the rain gutters. I know these are popular smokers, but I'm a former smoker, so I'm very sensitive. I have no indications. I can't smell any evidence of smoking on this one. It's a nice example. Then we have these aftermarket carbon fiber mirror caps. I don't think it's real carbon fiber, but it looks pretty cool. So we have that restyled front end we saw for 2018. And of course for the engine, we have that amazing twin turbo V6. This thing is really quick with rear-wheel drive. It's a lot of fun to drive. And then you have a great traction stability control system to keep things, from getting out of control in wet, slippery conditions. But when you shut the traction control off, you can actually get this thing pretty tail happy. It can actually get a little dangerous if you don't know what you're doing and you shut the traction control off on this thing, especially if the roads are slick. This thing can spin around pretty fast. I think it might also have an aftermarket muffler on it. It sounds a little bit louder than stock. Underbody diffuser. There was also an update for 2018. Decent sized trunk. All in all, one beautiful example of a 2018 Q50 LUXE rear-wheel drive. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.